Do you want to generate some nice passive income by just literally letting AI do the work for you? Well, then I've got the perfect video for you. Hey Lemonheads, today I will show you how you can make an entire affiliate business using AI. Let's go. Step 1. Market and niche research. First, we need to know in which affiliate marketing niche we want to start. We need to know which niche is the most profitable. Since ChatGPT only has data up to 2021, and we do not want to purchase ChatGPT 4, we will use Bing Chat for this endeavor. To activate Bing Chat, we just have to open Microsoft Edge, and then next to the search bar, we have to click the blue B. And now here we can just use it, like ChatGPT. Let's ask for the most profitable affiliate marketing niches to start a blog about. The data Bing Chat is giving us is real-time and up-to-date. It gave us 3 niches to choose from. Let's choose fashion. Let's go to the next step. Step 2. Generate your blog name. This step is super easy. To come up with a name, we just have to ask Bing Chat again. And look at that. Our fashion blog website name will be Fashionista. That was easy. Okay, next step. Step 3. Creating your blog website. Now it is time to create our website. We will use WordPress for that. It is universally known and adopted by a lot of other companies, and besides that, it is really easy to use. So let's go to WordPress and create our account. Or you can just connect your Google account, like I'm doing here. Now here it immediately asks you to choose a domain. You can even get a domain here for the first year for free. But I am going to click Choose my domain later. Now here we can choose our subscription type. You can choose a paid subscription here, but I recommend not to start purchasing everything immediately. I mean, when there is a free trial available, just use it, and later when you see that it is worth it, you can always buy it. That is just my personal take. So I'm going to click Start with free. Now, continue. Here we can pick a design. Let's pick one that aligns with the likes of our target audience and niche. I like this one here. Let's edit the design a bit and add the website name to the start page and save it. You can customize it even more, but I like it like it is already. And then click on Launch your site. Let's go to the most important step. Step 4. Generating blog content. What is a blog without blogs? Blog. What? Okay, I have to admit, my pet monkey gave me too many banana cookies and sometimes I talk a bit funny. Okay, where were we? Yes, the content creation. Yo, what is this all of a sudden? I'm trying to record a video here. Apologies guys, that was my pet monkey again. Her name is Lemon Chip. Thanks to Sufi and Supari for giving her that amazing name. Now for real, let's get back on track. We could be old-fashioned and use ChatGPT for this, but no. For content creation, we're going to use an amazing AI tool from Writesonic. So let's go to the Writesonic website, click on Start Writing for free or sign in like I am doing. Now, here we have to click on the AI Article Writer 5.0. What comes next is really cool. In the topic box, we can search for articles. So since we want to create a fashion blog, let's search for Top 10 Best Gym Shoes for Women. And then click Search Articles. Now here it gave us a lot of different articles related to our search query. Choose one that resonates the most with you and click Next. Now I also added as additional information that our blog is called Fashionista, but in hindsight this is not necessary to do. Now click on Generate Article and then on Confirm. Look at that, an entire blog article that is unique and accurate will be written for us. That was easy. It is even adding own and existing images to the blog. Now comes the even cooler part. When the generation is finished, go to Share Your Document and then click Publish on WordPress. Now it gives us this error message. Just click on Click Here, because now we're going to connect our WordPress account to Writesonic. Just click on Connect and then click on Approve. And now it is connected. Go to History and then click on the article we just created. And let's do the same process again. Go to Share Your Document and then click Publish on WordPress. And now here we have to select our connected site and click Publish. Let's go to our WordPress dashboard and click Posts. Look at that, there is our generated blog post. Let's customize it a bit. Click on it and start editing. I will make the title more beautiful. Now click on the text and then click on Edit. Let's make some headings and titles bold. The beauty of using the Writesonic technique is that you do not have to worry about SEO, because the reference article is already of top-notch SEO quality. Now let's go to the last and really important step you certainly do not want to forget. Step 5. Adding your affiliate links. Our blog post contains a lot of products, and there is also a call to action button with Shop Now there, but we have to change the link of that clickable link so that we can generate money from it. We have to change the links into our own affiliate links. So let's search this pair of shoes on Amazon. And look at that. That is great news, because now we only need an Amazon affiliates account and we can make money with it. Okay, let's go to Amazon affiliates and create an account there. Once you have everything set up, you will be able to search a product and can generate a custom affiliate link for each product. Amazon gives you 5% to 20% commission on the sold product. This depends on the type of product. So, let's do that for our products. This is really easy. Just copy each product from your blog post and paste it into the Amazon search bar. Now click on the matching product. And on the top left, you have the option to generate your unique affiliate link for that product. When you have copied the link, go back to your blog post from WordPress and edit the Shop Now link to your own affiliate link. Do that for all the links. If the product is not on Amazon, for example, if you want to promote a VPN provider, then all you need to do is search for an affiliate program that they are offering. When you are done editing the post, just save it and publish it to the world. Remember that each blog post is its own mini business. And that's it, Lemonheads. I hope you can start your own affiliate marketing business and generate some amazing passive income. Join the AI revolution and become a member. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Goodbye, Lemonheads.